Once upon a time, in a land where pasta swirled like whirlwinds, lived a spaghetti tornado named Twisty. Twisty was mischievous and loved to booby-trap Pizzaberry trees with zucchini rockets. He was a wild tornado of joy, full of energy but lacking discipline. One day, the Rumble-tumble Marshmallow Elephants roared. They had stepped into Twisty's prank, getting sticky zucchini rockets all over their gumdrop toes. So, they sought help from the Cabbage Genie, who replaced rockets with edible broccolini jets, teaching Twisty a lesson about eating healthy. Twisty felt sorry, so he started practicing the art of choreographed twirling every day at sundown. When the stars peppered the sky with bedtime jokes, the stars chuckled with joy and the moon guffawed, sending the spaghetti tornado off to a good night's sleep. Embracing discipline, Twisty now had more time to help. He visited his friends, the giggly gumdrops who had lost their chuckle. With his carefree wind and laughter, he twirled around them, creating a kindness blizzard, filling the gumdrops with laughter that echoed throughout the land. Twisty was becoming more curious. He raced with the carrot car driving rabbits, floating high to map truffle mountains, giving him knowledge about his vast, wonderful land. This sparked a newfound love of sharing in Twisty, who started exchanging rainbow ribbons with his alien friends from Milky Way Marsh. One sunny day, Twisty saw pollen ponies coughing. He noticed the forest too quiet, as talking trees were losing their voices. He realized the importance of respecting nature and hugged every tree, whispering soothing words. This magically revived the trees and they burst into an opera of gratitude, teaching Twisty about teamwork. But soon, chaos struck when carrot cars stopped running. Twisty didn't panic. He teamed up with singing beats and turned himself into a massive elastic spaghetti band to pull the cars until they started hopping again. Through this magical chaos, Twisty became a disciplined, everyday hero, kind, curious, respectful, and smart. Asking the stars for another joke, Twisty twirled into a peaceful sleep, excited for a new day, and inspiring everyone in this magical world to be their best, weirdest selves. And remember, whenever you munch on broccolini rockets, you're just a wink away from the spaghetti tornado and his rumble-tumble marshmallow elephants.